Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Hey, Visibility Hackers. Today we have an interactive treat for you. We're delving into the dynamic world of video marketing, answering your questions, and sharing some valuable resources for you to take away. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a visionary leader, or an online coach, we'll uncover how video can amplify your message, mission, and movement. Let's get rolling.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Before we dive into the questions you guys have sent to us, let me remind you to check out Visibility Hacking Radio on Spotify, because there is a special feature there where you can leave us a voicemail. We don't have voicemails today, but we do have questions submitted by our visibility hackers from our Facebook community. Shout outs to those of you in the group. I'm in the group too, so those of us, I guess. And then consider this an open invitation for those of you who have not yet become official visibility hackers. May this be your invitation to join us over in the Facebook group. All right, first question today is, how do I begin with video marketing when I have never done this before? Fantastic question. I feel you. I have been in your shoes. So here we go. Start with having a clear message you want to share, and then pick up your phone and start recording. It is seriously that simple. There's no need for fancy equipment or special effects because authenticity trumps all. Question number 2, how can I showcase my personality in my videos? Well, personality shines through authenticity. You can tell a mile away someone who is being inauthentic, right? So be yourself. Share your personal stories. Laugh a little. Let your enthusiasm shine through. People connect with people, not with polished presentations. Question 3 is, how can I use video to demonstrate my process? I love this question, even though I've told you over and over again how to do this. Take your audience behind the scenes. Share your workflow, the challenges you face, how you overcome them. This transparency builds trust, and it shows that you're human, just like them. You can even involve them in the process. Use your socials as a place where you can get your community to vote on things, like maybe the next color of your next product launch, or maybe a secret feature, something. You can always offer them different ideas, get them to vote on things to help build that next best thing. It's fantastic. Here in the visibility hacking world, we are all about community and action taking. So of course, I am not going to let you leave this episode without a couple of helpful resources. So first one, video marketing strategy, harnessing the power of online video to drive brand growth. Great book by John Molle. It's a treasure trove of practical tips and strategies. Go pick it up. Second thing I want you to check out is the YouTube Creator Academy. It's free. It's an online education platform that was put together by YouTube, designed for creators. For creators who are starting at ground zero or are halfway on their journey or whatnot. It's going to have everything you need related to video. Now, third resource, I haven't read it, but I have had it recommended to me, is How to Shoot Video That Doesn't Suck by Steve Stockman. Apparently it's fun and it's an accessible guide to shooting better video content. Again, I haven't checked it out. Maybe you have, maybe you will. Let me know what you think about that book, or if you have any other resources we should be recommending. Let us know. Again, you can join us over on our Spotify, or check us out over on Spotify, I should say, and you can leave us a voicemail, which is kind of cool. So, all right, visibility hackers, we've taken a rather deep dive into your questions today and shared some phenomenal resources. So remember, the key to successful video marketing lies in authenticity and transparency. Keep sharing your unique personality, your process, and most importantly, your passion. After all, your story is what fuels your movement. All right, visibility hackers, that's it from me. Until I see you again next time, remember I love you. Be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.